Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, as you can see right there, steaming hot from the wok, we're going to make lemon chicken. This is absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get moving on this. First of all, these are the ingredients that we have for the sauce, for the lemon sauce. All of the ingredients and the amounts are going to be below in the text. So we've got some honey, lemon juice. Here I've got the skin or the rind and I've cut off a lemon, cornstarch or corn flour, which is the same thing by the way, vinegar and sugar. We're going to give that a mix, then we can move on to the next step. Okay, so small mixing bowl, and I've got in there the lemon. That was just sitting in water just to sort of keep it a bit more sort of vibrant. I didn't want it to dry out or anything. So here we go. Let's go with 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon here of corn flour or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, lemon juice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and honey. We're going to go for 1 slightly oversized tablespoon there. Okay, all we have to do here is give this a mix, set that aside, and we can move on to the chicken. Okay, so for our chicken, I've got 2 chicken breasts, no skin, no bone, cut into nice thin strips, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of a soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce, salt and pepper, and again, like a tablespoon of cornstarch. We're gonna get that all together, give it a nice mix. So I've got my chicken in a mixing bowl. I've got a nice rubber glove on so I can jump in there. Salt and pepper, cornstarch, or corn flour, like I say, which is the same thing, just called different things in different countries. The soy sauce, the 1 egg. In I go, see you in a few minutes. Okay, so here we are at the cooker. I've got like 3 or 4 centimeters of an oil there. I'm using a vegetable oil, you could be using anything you want. There's our chicken. What we're gonna do is pick this up and we're gonna drop them in. This oil needs to be nice and hot, about 200 C. Probably going to do this in a couple of batches. There's quite a lot here. If you crowd the pan, it all just sticks together and comes back to one clump, which we don't want. We're going to fry this chicken for about 4 minutes, because as you can see, it's tiny pieces cut really thin. It will cook really quickly. See you in a moment. There you go, that's where we want it. Let me get these out. I'm going to repeat the process. I'll be back when that's done. Okay, so cleaned the pan, as you can see. There's our beautiful little chicken nuggets. They're lovely, they are. Cook really quickly. On a low heat, we're going to get our lemon slurry together and get it in. We're on a fairly low heat. We're just going to cook this for about 3 minutes. If it gets too thick, just add some more lemon juice. The corn flour and the sugar is really going to thicken it up. Okay, that's fantastic. A little bit too thick for me, so I'm just going to add a little bit of lemon juice. You can have it as thick or as thin as you want. We're going to reintroduce our chicken. We're going to turn the heat up really high now, and we're going to go for 2 minutes. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go, steaming hot. That is beautiful. I mean, it's really, really beautiful. No need for you ever to order Chinese takeaway again. That's better. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. We always like to hear from you. Lots of love.